So we're here at the condo location on a very windy day. My son and I were actually all the way on the first floor. Now we're on the roof deck. We were on the first floor because we came up here because we heard a loud bang. My daughter heard a loud bang. And when we came up here, all these plastic pieces were on our roof deck. And if you look up on the roof, you can see the frame to the skylight of the neighbors who are out of town for the season. It is completely wide open to their unit. You can see the one over our unit, which is intact, but this roof was just completely redone this fall. And now, and I don't know if they did, I think they did the plastic skylights. The wind just took it right off. So, of course, we reached out to the right people. Hopefully they get here quick enough. Because luckily there's no more rain for the rest of the day, but this stuff is just sitting up here as debris. And as soon as we put this camera down, we probably should pull this stuff down onto the deck because it will blow off and potentially the parking lot. I'm just going to put the camera down for a second while I climb up here. And you can see right into their unit what it's supposed to look like. Hey, get down. Because you're in your socks. Just get down here, please. Well, we will update this as we get updates. But pretty scary stuff. And I'm just glad it's not raining for those poor neighbors. And you can hear the smoke detector chirping. Thankfully, there's no smoke coming out of here. Yeah. But this is not the way you want to have your day. All right, so let's get this stuff. Let's try to get this stuff down. So my son and I just pulled the debris from that skylight off the roof to avoid it sliding down somebody or hitting a car. But so we just threw everything onto our roof deck. But the real problem is for the neighbor, and hopefully it's not going to be a problem for our skylight. My son pointed out it looked like this one next door on this side has a crack forming. But this stuff is not glass, it's just like heavy plexiglass or plastic. Yeah, I didn't see the dent and the flashing there. So, all right, I already reached out to the person we need to reach out to, and they wrote back to me. So they're hopefully going to get someone here, but we will stay tuned. And this is why we got the rest of the pieces off the roof, because some of them landed in the parking lot, and that's the vintage Lincoln Cartier parked next to it. I'd have been upset. Yes, you can see the clear coat fading on the roof, but body's in great shape, and we're getting that taken care of this winter. But look at that. What a mess. Worse though, I feel for the neighbors. That is brutal.